In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Paint Tool SAI. Now to do this, there's actually no native button or tool which can add text, at least in version 1 of Paint Tool SAI. So to do this, you could use a workaround I'm going to show you right now. So we can open up a document editor, like for example I have over here, which is Google Docs, and you can just go and type in whatever text you want. So I'm just going to go and type in, for example, hello there. And that's going to be it. That's going to be our text. And then I'm going to press enter again twice, just so this cursor goes away. And then what you have to do is use a tool like snipping tool or something similar, okay? So snipping tool should be available on every Windows computer. You can pull it up like this. So just go to the bottom here, click on search, and then type in snipping tool, okay? Click on it, and then from here what you want to do is click on new, and then whenever you click on new, you simply want to kind of highlight over this text over here, just like this, and there we go. It's going to create a selection, and this is going to give you an image, which is the image of your text. Now what you then have to do is simply copy this, so you can click on this copy button up top, so copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and whenever you do this, go back to Paint Tool SAI, and in here you want to press Ctrl+V on your keyboard, and as you can see, it's going to paste in the text. Okay, so that's of course one way to do it, which I do think is kind of the most convenient way because there's really no native tool to actually do this. I'm going to rotate my canvas just like this so we can see it better, and there we go. Okay, you can now of course move this around. You can press Ctrl T on your keyboard to actually be allowed to resize it like that, and that's pretty much the way I usually do it. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.